Hi everyone, welcome to UPSC Radio. My name is Dinesh Venkat, and I will be dealing more than 75 plus definitions of ethics. Right. So, why ethics is I have already dealt geography, disaster management in the regional language Telugu, but now I will be dealing ethics particularly in English so that it will be useful for all the aspirants from various states and friends from various states. The problem is that mm, we will be preparing for prelims for the months, maybe say December, January, February, March, April, because who are not so strong in prelims, they will dedicate at least 5 months, or if who are who are attempting for second, third and fourth attempt, they will be reading at least mains for February, and then they start for prelims. But by the time you prepare prelims, and from prelims to mains you have very less time, right? Hardly 2 to 3 months, sometimes it's more than less than also, because maybe for 15 to 20 days you will be in the dilemma whether I'll clear or not, right? So you won't dedicate much amount of time for ethics. You will be concentrating on essay, answer writing, paper 1, 2, 3, and the people who are not good at regional languages will be concentrating on that. But ethics people will give less time. So that's the reason. Even though you perform outrightly in many subjects, in ethics you won't be scoring good marks. If person who is scoring good marks in ethics, he has a good communication skills, or else maybe he might have understood at least 40 to 50 definitions, which this series of videos will be provided. So I want you to take this advantage of definitions from my videos on our channel UPSC Radio Podcast. We are having a radio also, and I will give the link description. In we are the first radio podcast in India for UPSC. And yes, let's get started with the definition of ethics. Before that, I need to have a small announcement before that, right? Unacademy UPSC toppers. Unacademy has secured more than 160 plus ranks this year, and new batches are starting from 29th of December, Mission 2022, and Expedition 2022 and 2023. We have 5 optional courses: political science, sociology, maths, philosophy, and history. And the 3 more have been started from 15th of December: management, history, and geography. And the price for 1 year is 55,523 rupees only. If you use the code VDinesh10, you will get 10% extra discount. And there is an exam on 26th and 2nd of January. The exam is for 56 questions and 60 minutes. The exam is on 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. You can write this exam in your Unacademy app. The password for the exam is VDinesh10, and you will get scholarships also. A free test series every Monday to Friday, and Monday to Friday, T20 and Abhiyan. And you have an advantage of one-to-one live monitoring, study planner, open house with educators, and flexible tenure also there if you take iconic courses subscription. Thank you. Ethics. The definition itself says, of course, the definition don't say anything. Ethics is study of morality, individual morality, group ethics, simple language. See, this is not a class where I will be dealing in detail way, so that each and every part know how to mix the butter, how to mix the batter, how to mix cream and how to bake the cake. No, I say that there is a shop over there, go purchase, eat and be happy. That is what I will be discussing. Don't expect 100% definitions, detailed analysis in this series of videos. As the videos will be more and more number, length of the video will be reduced. Okay, so now I want you to understand the ethics is a discipline, group discipline. Morality or moral is an individual discipline, more or less, but ethics is like a group discipline. I am following Indian ethics. We are Indians and we follow ethics given by this society, Indian society. If you take USA, there we have more freedom. Of course, we can blame latitude also here. In latitudes of low latitudes or equatorial latitudes, because we have more rainfall, maybe because of less availability of land, we try to stay in a closed spaces and family system over a period of time developed over there. And in a latitudinal, or if you go higher latitudinal area, there it is much more land available, less people available, and by default they have much more freedom when compared to us, right? So now understand, American system of ethics, Indian system of ethics is completely different. As such, we can say that their society beliefs and our society beliefs are also different. Of course, there are certain list of things that determine ethics. Or studying of morals, studying of group morals is the core of ethics. Okay. Now, in ethics, we can say religion will determine our ethics. Law determine our ethics. Society, in which society you are living, whether you are living in a draconian society or a free society or a threatened society, or maybe a poor society or a rich society, which society you are living in. Maybe individuality can also determine your ethics, or knowledge, how much knowledge you are, whether do you believe in prejudice or superstitions, or do you question everything, which family you have been born, that is also different. And time, of course, time determines over a period of time. Time is evolving, I mean to say, in time humans are evolving. So when you born in the old days or born in the new years, it depends. Even the place, if you are born in urban area, you are living in rural area, depending upon your place also, your ethics getting changed, right? Ethics getting changed, of course ethics get to change. Ethics is a set of rules, set of codes, set of guidelines agreed upon each other. It's not saying that everyone, for example, there is a village where everyone follows a strict rule that we have to sleep by 8, right? If you work till 10 or till 11, and if you roam like completely overnight, you may break an ethics that is set by a society. And of course that is not a rule that you will be punished because breaking of an ethics. That is not a rule. Ethics is a even though there are set of rules, we don't have legality for ethics. Okay, you should remember that, right? This is not, a set of guidelines that have to be implemented perfectly, and if you are not implemented we will punish you. It's not like that. It focuses on conduct, not punishes conduct. What conduct you are. Okay, this fellow obeys to elders, this fellow is a waste fellow, he won't about obey to elders. This fellow, he's like a gold, he obeys whatever his parents says. We will do generalize the things, right, in our family also. This fellow is a good fellow, this fellow is a bad fellow, that fellow is a average fellow. So understanding this individuality is called as ethics, we can say as like that. Value and virtues, morals are different, we'll discuss that in next videos, but this is ethics. And uh, in ethics is a mandatory thing to make a law. For example, I can't make a law which is accepted by each and every religion, every caste, every society. It's not possible. We will be having differences. To understand a law how to be made, a lawmaker should know how ethics is followed in each and every area. Yes, if I make a rule that no one should roam after 8 o'clock in the evening, in urban areas, is it possible? No. So depends upon your area, region, religion, caste, creed, sex. It depends upon what belief, or say these factors decide your ethics. Yes, of course, yes. And along with that, if you do follow ethics, there are certain good things, certain bad things. What are the good things? You are safeguarding your society. You are following your society. Yes, maybe you're feeling good. Yes, today I have followed the rules, I'm good, I'm happy, no one gonna question me. Or maybe people say you're credible. Sometimes, if you may be unethical, if you go against set of rules, it is my individual freedom. Who is the village to question me? Who is a city to question me? Who is a group to question me? Yes, a person born in a vegetarian family, it is his individual choice to eat veg or non-veg, right? I may feel that yes, my family follows a vegetarianism, I am very happy that I am also following the same ethics. But I have a zeal to eat non-vegetarian. If I break that zeal by eating non-vegetarian, I may break the ethics of my family. Of course, there are not rules that they will punish me. Of course, they're not. That is not a constitution. Of course, constitution have ethics. That is different case. But just because I break some ethics, that doesn't mean that in IPC and CRPC someone will come and punish me. Yes, but if you deviate from the ethics over a period of time, there is higher chances of you landing in corruption, crime, nepotism, or maybe loss of character. Yes, sometimes ethics can also be wrong. Yes, yes, this is true. Sometimes ethics can also be wrong. We will discuss this in a more details in the next videos, because I want to make these videos as short as possible, and these are just definition videos. These are not complete explanation of the topic.